everybody! Welcome back to Emma in Costa Rica in La Fortuna series. Today we are going down to the La Fortuna Waterfall. It's like a 70-meter waterfall and we just arrived, and this is like so different than what we're used to. This parking lot is huge, and over there right behind me, I don't know if you can see it very well, there's a La Fortuna letter sign. So we're gonna go pay. It's $18 to enter per person. If you just come here on your own, you don't need a guide or anything like that. And yeah.
Muchas gracias.
Alright guys, so we just need to cross this bridge and then we're gonna get to like the services and like bathrooms, and apparently there's a restaurant that we can use as well. But look how beautiful this is. We're stepping into the jungle again, guys. It's been so long since we've been to a waterfall. It's a nice little canyon. This is not really a hanging bridge. This is a regular bridge. Oh look, a nice view. Is that the volcano? Because I know the volcano is very close to here.
Yeah, maybe it is.
I can hear the restaurant music. So guys, we can go to an orchid garden. There's I guess a butterfly garden as well. And a restaurant. But this is so much more built up than the places in Capos that we've been to. So you can really tell that the tourism here is a lot more poppin'. Oh look here. Here is the butterfly trail. Should we do this stuff after? Yeah. We'll go there after. Oh, look at that beautiful flower. So I guess that's where the restaurant is.
Yeah,
That has to be the volcano. It's so tall. It's like the tallest mountain here. Oh, they have like a souvenir store and everything. Oh, this is very touristy.
Nice.
Oh look, there's like drinking water fountain and washing, so you can fill up your bottles. I guess this is the restaurant. Rio Lounge. Sandwich, burger, quesadilla, hummus. From 9 to 5. And it says, do not touch the orchids, because they'll probably die. Oh look, if you look over there, there's the restaurant there. This looks like some type of orchid or some sort. This is one of my favorites. How like the palms grow. Oops, I touched it. Actually, I guess it's a fern.
Yeah.
Type of fern.
Little head.
Look at these cool flowers. Look,
This
sad.
is definitely some kind of orchid.
Yep.
You can tell by the leaves.
Uh-huh.
This looks like a
Some type of
Like a
lily
lily.
here, yeah. You can hear the waterfall already from here. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I wonder if we'll be able to see the volcano from this lookout as well. Oh, there it is! Look at that, guys. So that's a 70-meter waterfall. It looks far away from here, to be honest.
500 steps away.
They said it was 20 minutes and we can swim, so. Alright guys, so some people are starting to crowd around there, so we're gonna get out of here and start working our way down. See if we can quietly pass these people before entering the trail. 600-meter hike, moderately steep, about 500 steps. It's not recommended for people with problems, okay, restrooms, blah blah blah. Okay, we're fine. Let's go. Okay, so this is the entrance to the Orchids Trail. And then this is to the waterfall. So let's go. I don't imagine it's going to be very like jungle walking.
Fine by me.
It's a different world from Capos, guys. place we could sit right here for people who are tired already. This is not gonna be anything like the Rainmaker tour, where you have to just like go and like fend for yourself with like a bunch of like muddy tires and a lot of rain. We've literally been here for 3 days now, and until today the sun hasn't come out, so I'm freaking stoked. And I'm really hoping to God that I get to see the volcano today, because if I get to come here and not see it, I'm gonna be disappointed when I go home. But I need that photo. I need that quintessential photo that every tourist has, and I live here for God's sake, so I need it. Looks like they're doing some sort of maintenance here. But look how tall this is. Like, we're actually pretty far down already. Look at this massive tree, guys.
These types of trees were known for the indigenous people to bury their dead under them, because they believed that these trees had like a spiritual
Being.
yeah, because it offers a spiritual thing, and it protects the the dead. That's what they said on my last tour.
Another rickety bridge sort of thing. Step on. Yeah, this bridge is soft. It's really uncomforting. So I believe this park has been kind of like kept as this from like, it's like a non-profit organization. I don't remember the name right now, but they founded that in like 1963 or something like that. And basically they made this to help preserve the area and protect the waterfall in the areas. This is actually, I believe, a part of the Arenal National Park. So this waterfall is made with cold water. It is cold water. Apparently it's quite refreshing, so let's see. I'm probably gonna do it. I feel like it's gonna be really damn cold because I've been freezing since I arrived here. So freeze my ass off and then get out and walk up all these stairs is basically the idea. It's actually different because like we've come here mostly for like the aguas termales, which is like hot water, right? The thermal water. So like everywhere we've been so far, like in terms of like the springs at our hotel and even our bathtub and all that stuff, has been hot water. But this is gonna be like nice, fresh, freezing cold water. And we keep going down. This is gonna be tough to get up. The sun! Oh man, coming from Capos makes it really hard. I'm not used to all this dark, cold weather anymore. We did our little photo session next to the big ass waterfall. This is the highest waterfall I think I've seen in Costa Rica. 70 meters. And I think here we're kind of coming close to like the swimming area. Ooh, you can feel the water. Don't go up the rocks, guys. Wow, it is so misty here. Look at that. So incredible. So we're not gonna swim. The water's like way too intense. I think I'll go tumbling down the river if I go that way. But down here we have like a river. Alright, walking down this way. We go to the Poza. Guys, I'm so stoked the sun came out. Look at this beautiful little Poza. Oh, this is much better for swimming. You sure you don't want to swim? Wow. Look guys, those are all fish in the water. Alright, here we can swim. Oh my god. Oh. It's freezing. Oh my god, I like lost my breath. It was so cold. Okay, that was way too cold. I'm just gonna get my stuff back on and we're gonna start heading back. We're gonna probably like stop and have a snack and then start walking back up. Alright guys, we had our snack, drink of water, jumped in the water, saw the 70-meter waterfall, made a little doggy friend, and now we are on the way back up. We still have to check out the orchid garden and the butterfly garden, so we'll do that once we get up there. But for now, the goal is just to get up. I think it's like 600 meters of walking, so, or walking up. No, that doesn't make sense, but we'll take it slow. This place is pretty like friendly for, let's say, older people, or like my mom friendly and stuff like that, because I feel like I'm gonna fall. Because there are paths everywhere. There's no like slippery mud and stuff like that like most places. Getting a workout. Alright guys, we made it back up to the top of the hill. And now we're gonna go to the Orchid Trail. So some people said that there's not too many orchids blooming right now, but let's see what we can find. Casa de Orchids. Oh, this is fun. Look, these are animals that collect the seeds and poop them out. There are over 1,600 orchid species in Costa Rica. This place has over 1,000 individuals from 200 species. Let's see if we can find one. I think this is a type of orchid, is it not? These, all these. Tell by the leaves. Oh, and they have little tags on them too, apparently. Look how pretty that one is. Bright white flower. All sorts of different orchids. Oh, that one's beautiful. Like some like little red berries. Oh wow, look at this one. This one's really cool. Has like a little mouth. I wonder if each tree has like a different... Oh, these ones are cute too. Little yellow flower. All the roots. And like the tiny little flower in the center. Oh, look at these cute tiny little flowers.
All taking advantage of the tree.
Pretty much. I mean, technically it's not even, that's not even a tree anymore. It's just a stick that's all
It's like the bromeliads. The bromeliads are like air plants.
They're all technically like parasitic, right? Yeah. Look at those like dead flowers there. Oh, these are cool. Little orange ones. That one's just about to open. Oh, this one's interesting. These ones are all about to bloom, but we didn't come here with the right timing. Okay guys, so we're just finishing up here in the orchid garden. As someone had told us, there's not really a lot of flowers right now. So let's move on to the butterfly garden, and then I think we'll be kind of finishing off here. Alright guys, we're all changed up now, and we're going to hit the Mariposa Trail, butterfly trail. Oh look, here's a cute little one. There's a bunch of people. So that's it. We have explored everything in this area and what it has to offer. So now we're gonna head back, wait for our friendly Uber driver, and head back to the hotel. So this is gonna be it for this video, and stay tuned for the other La Fortuna series. Thanks so much guys, and see you next time. Guys, we finally got it. It's a clear day. A lot of people say that this isn't like as clear as it gets. Like up there's a lot of cloud, but at least I got to see it, and I filmed it, and I got photos. So that's the most important part to me. So we can continue with the adventure, but now I feel like the goal has been completed.